To measure something in Land ID, it is very simple. Just select the measurement tool towards the top right of your map screen. It is shown as a ruler. All you need to do is click on that. And then the same way as you would draw anything else on your map, just start clicking to draw your shape or your line. Specifically for shapes, the shape needs to be completed and then it will give you an area. Otherwise, if the shape is not completed, it will give you a distance only. So I'll go ahead and start here. I'm going to measure out this particular parcel. I'm going to start here at the top left of this parcel, click once, and again, 2 more times, 1 and 2. And you'll notice as you move your cursor around this first point that we added, it shows like this little haze around it, this shadow. And that's going to let you know when you click there, it's going to snap to that initial point, completing the shape. Doing so will complete our shape and give us an area. All right. So when we completed that, it shows up here. We have our acreage here in the middle. We have our distances between each of the points I added as well. Up here to the top right, we have our perimeter distance as well as our area. If needed, you can change the distance descriptions to anything here, as well as area. You can change it to something else as well. If by chance you want to save this shape that you've measured out here, you can click Save Shape. Select the boundary that you want to use, and then hit save. Easy as that. And if you wanted to show the measurements for that shape that you've just created, just click this little show measurements button right there, and those will show up as labels on your map automatically. Now, if we wanted to do a line instead, even easier, same thing, go up, click on measure, and then on your map, just click, 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 and then you're going to click on that last point again to finish the shape, or rather the line, and then you're done. Gives you total distance right there, and same as before, you can change the description for that distance. And also, same here, if you want to save that line, hit Save Line, choose your item type, and then hit Save. Same as before, if you want to show those distances in between those points that you added, all you need to do is have this selected and click on Show Measurements, and it will show those for you. X out of that. Easy as that. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at the support email, and you can reach us at support@id.land. That is support@id.land.